Okay, so I just realized that I didn't put my tune on it or my rates.
Terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
So this is kind of like stock Mobula 8 tune and rates, but we're still going to take it for a little rip. This is the Psycho. There's two versions of the Psycho. There's the 2mm one that takes Whoop motors, so you can take the Mobula 8 and just toss it on. And then there is the Squished X, which is basically the same as the Caillou Mini, except same specs, except that it's lighter and stronger. Yeah, so it's just lighter and stronger. 3mm thing is only 13 grams, so you're getting yourself a bit more power from those weight savings. Let's go. And then you can take a Mobula 8 and transfer it over, but you have to just upgrade the motors. So this drone is a stock Mobula 8 with the Spark Hobby 1103 motors. Okay, let's go.
I got about 6 minutes flight time, which is more than I need. So the second battery, I flew harder and I still got 5 minutes of flight time. Instead of making you watch 10 minutes, I'm gonna cut up the first flight, and then the second flight, I'll put the full flight so that you can actually see. Even though I'm doing full throttle, punch outs, orbits, whatever, I'm still getting 5 minutes of flight times. I did not expect it to fly that long. So totally untuned, totally like stock settings. Once I put my tune on it, the camera here, I have it set up for indoor flying. If something's a little bit too light, you can get details out of it a lot easier than if it's too dark. When I do videography indoors, I prefer my camera to be a bit overexposed because I feel like I get more details, especially indoors where it's not as bright. So I had this camera set up for my little indoor rig, my old Whisper, which is basically being replaced by the Cine discs, which I'm testing right now. That's why this camera is way too overexposed. It did make it a little bit sketchy to see things. Oh, if you wanna buy one, I'm the only person selling them. You can shoot me a message on Discord. I only have like 20 of them left. If you wanna make an order, shoot me a message. There are certain prints that I have right now and certain prints that I don't. All you people that like the Caillou Mini are able to use this frame with all the camera mounts from the Caillou Mini. But I have my own prints and I want to replace all those prints with like newer, tighter, stronger ones. I feel like a lot of space was wasted, and I'm just crazy that way. Like, that's one of the big problems with this build. It's too tight. So it's just, if you build it wrong, you're gonna cut your cords and you're gonna screw things up. Everything is just as tight as possibly can be. Hit it right, hit it right, hit it tight. If you want extra room and you hate things that are too tight, then this is not for you. But if you like to go as tight as you can, push things to the max, then you need a Psycho.
We burn too bright, two sparks in a small room. Coffee on the nightstand, your jacket on my share. You laughed at my bad jokes. I pretended not to stare. From the ashes, I still find you on my skin. Little ghost of every touch we've ever been. If this is over, would you leave me every breath I take it? Love doesn't vanish, it lives in the ashes. Are you awake on my skin? I almost wrote come over, but I know it all of me. We keep our distance, but a silence still makes us sad. From the ashes, I still find you on my skin.
Okay guys, I have to say I am bloody thoroughly impressed. 5 minutes of ripping and it feels really nice. Is it as good as a discus? No, but there's like no risk. Like you can't hurt anyone and it's really fun. It is so much fun. Like I get it. 5 minutes just ripping. And you know what? The bi-blades are fine. I wonder if I put on tri-blades, if it would cut some of the flight time, because I don't even want 5 minutes. I think I want like 4 minutes and I'm good. But it's just so smooth and nice. Incredible. And I full throttled a bit and stuff too. And these motors are decent. I'm surprised. Spark Hobby 1103s. Yeah, so all you got to do is buy a Mobula 8 and these motors and you're good to go. If you want this exact kind of setup, you're looking at $45 with all the prints, and that's in PIBA. And this thing like this weighs 88 grams. If you want it in TPU, 40. with the prints and TPU. $35 if you just want the frame and you do your own prints. But the Pipa prints are nice. They save you weight. I have them in white and pink, and they feel really nice too. Very happy with it.